11. He must not defile himself by going near a dead body.
Nangu umfundisi wakho yezwa. Angazingcolisi ngokusondela esidumbi. Now we come to grace. Lazarus is dead. Jesus, the high priest, goes to the grave of Lazarus. Lazarus, come out! Deficiency, defects, come out! I've come with sufficient grace. Wake up, Lazarus. But umthetho uthi umfundisi angayiduze nesidumbu. I want you to look at grace now. Angasondela eduze nesidumbu. Now Jesus being the high priest. Uyethuneni la Lazarus. Uthi nikhombeni ukuthi nimfihlephi. Sukani. He goes there. Sufficient grace. Speaking to defects. Speaking to defects. Hey, defects! Leave Lazarus. Death, come out. Lazarus responds. He comes out. Grace. Sufficiency of grace is able to do what the law cannot do. It can resurrect dead things. It can bring back to life things that were rejected by the law. Because umthetho uyalahla, umusa uyadawuba ubuyise. Umthetho wenzani? Uyalahla, uyakhondema, mara umusa uyabuyisa. Uhlanze. Unmerited favor. I love Jesus Christ. Meaning things that are not even worthy to come close to God, to come close to the temple. God brings them close with His sufficient grace. No matter their defects, no matter their faults, grace has got eyes to remove defects. But the law has got eyes to condemn, to throw away. It's Holy Communion today. According to the law, if according to the law, abantwana basidla zenkosi. But because this is a body that was able to carry our defects and gave us sufficiency of grace, now we are boldly coming to the table to eat and drink from such without condemnation. Yes, emasontweni bathini ngeholy communion. Zicheka zihlole, hlola inhliziyo yakho. Nangabizo lokho lento yenzile sicela ukuthi usihlole ungezi. The law. The law. But grace it in. The blood is for sin. It's to cleanse. It's to wash. But umthetho uthini igazi akumelanga uliphuze ngoba wena uwonile. But grace, I've come for the dirty so that I can make them clean. I've come for those who've got defects in order to perfect them and give them sufficient grace so that what the law could not do can be accumulated or achieved in them. You'll get it. Many people, they eat Holy Communion, but there's still the law involved. Marabat benzi Holy Communion. Uzodlu Adam anawe. Uzodlu Adam. Hayi uChrist. Uzodla ini? Adam. Let's go.
He must not defile himself.
He must not defile himself. The priest.
By going near a dead body.
By going near a dead body. Should ukufa bekudodisa. Into efile beyenzani? Bengcolisa. Ngokomthetho. Should nakune umncwabe ekhayini. Netwa ngabona isidumbu ungeze esontweni. That was the law. Uthi ungeze esontweni ngoba ubone ini isidumbu. Okay, let's go. Nibuya khona. Uchila fast. 7 days. Uchila fast. Hamba ku 7 days uchila fast. Bathi nchila fetsi. Skapara saparo uchila fetsi. The law without sufficiency of grace. Grace abides in him. He came with it to perfect us, to cleanse us. One offering for all sins. No more sacrifices of bulls and animals. He came with his body to finish and to complete what the law could not do. Let's go. Meaning, if you are in the church of the law, you are still where umthetho useselimited unento angakhona ukuzenza. Usondala ezinye izinto ezingakhona ukwenzeka. Let's go.
He may not make himself ceremonial unclean, even for his father or mother.
Awuva umthetho. Even nangomama akhe or ngobaba akhe, nesidumbu saka mama akhe nobaba akhe akumelanga asondele uzongcola. Let's go.
Verse 12. He must not defile the sanctuary of his God by leaving it to attend a dead person.
Akumelanga shiye itempeli ibandla ayo attenda umzimba ofile. No, they go to Jesus. But uLazarus ufile. Because of grace. Lazarus, Jesus, it says Jesus was troubled and he was broken. What show me where you have laid him? I'm not like the other priests. I'm a high priest, a royal priesthood. So I'm not limited by people's defects. There's sufficiency of grace in me. I can attend there and raise him. I can do what the law cannot do. The law perishes, I resurrect. The law perishes, but I resurrect. So he says, show me where you have laid him. Show me where you've laid him. Umthetho uyabulala uyanqwaba, but grace resurrects. Grace brings dead things back to life. Meaning umusa okufuna la uthi uphelele khona amandla. Uthi mina ngisakhona. Grace steps in. When you are about to give up, when you think the fall is too deep in your flesh, God comes. My grace is sufficient. You're not going to die. You're going to pass through this. You're going to make it. You will pass. It's temporary. It's momentum. It will pass. It will pass. Don't declare yourself dead. Sufficient grace. You need sufficient grace. Yes, what you are going through now, it's like somebody's dead now. But that's where grace wants you. Hey, in your deficiency, be able to welcome grace. Grace will bring you back. Grace will resurrect you. Grace will take you through. Grace. That's why in heaven, it says they are shouting. They say, grace, grace, grace. Why? Grace has prevailed on earth. Not the law, grace. Let's understand what is grace. Don't find yourself saying I'm a Christian, but there's still a law in you. Let's go.
He must not defile the sanctuary of his God by leaving it.
By leaving it.
To attend a dead person.
Imagine, you must not defile the sanctuary of his God by leaving it. But now the Holy Spirit has come in us. We are the sanctuary. Should we are estumbini ne temple? Awushayanga temple when we temple. It's temple lestumbini. It cannot be affected by people's defects. It cannot be affected by people's sin.